Hi, I'm John Kennedy with Lutron Electronics, and today we are going to discuss how to enter the phase select mode of the Maestro Pro Dimmer. There are three options for phase select. Forward phase for standard and magnetic low voltage lighting loads. Auto select, where the dimmer senses which phase is best for the lighting load connected. And reverse phase, which is typically used for electronic low voltage lighting loads. You can adjust the phase of the Pro Dimmer by pulling the front accessible service switch out. Press and hold the raise button, then close the phase and continue to hold for 5 seconds. The current phase selection will illuminate, either on the top for forward phase, the middle for auto select, or the bottom for reverse phase. Use the raise or lower buttons to move the indicator light to the desired phase. Note that the auto select is only available when no neutral is connected. Select your phase setting and hit the tap switch once to save it.